Okay, well, it's the middle of the night and I'm video editing again. And I realised I'd forgotten to record an intro to this video. So here it is. The 6-wheel drive Land Rover Perenti ambulance that's part of our personal fleet, at some point in the very near future, may or may not end up actually doing the duties of a hearse. There's somebody's last request is that they be taken in a military ambulance. That's as much detail as I'm going to go into about the situation. But basically, we're going to volunteer ours and strip all the camper stuff out of the back, which is fairly quick and easy to do. And we're going to give it a bit of a clean up and make it look a little bit more original. Among the things that we really like to do is the Red Cross vinyl emblem on the front. We want to refurbish that. The one that's on there, it looks like crap. So we're going to get a new one done. We're going to head round to our local sign writers and get them to fit that. This is also, I'm recording this after the event, so I know a bit more than I actually really volunteered. So I'll tell you now, it rained all day. We spent all day hanging around waiting for a gap in the weather for them to put this decal on. In the end, I said, look, just sell us the decal with the backing paper on it, and I'll fit myself when the weather is convenient. This is just a really quick little video that shows how all that happened. There'll be more on this later, but anyway, let's carry on. So on today's episode of It Keeps Raining, we are planning on going to the sign writers to get this nice little Red Cross redone. It's raining today. I'm not sure how that's going to affect things or if I'm going to fit in the workshop, but we'll see.
6 hours later.
Alright, they basically wasted a whole day waiting for the rain to die off so we could get the vinyl done on the front of this. In the end I said, look, just sell me the vinyl and I'll apply it myself. So here goes nothing. We'll see what we can do. I'm misaligned slightly. Well, too late now. I'll have to get some touch-up paint or something. It would have been nice to have the professionals do this, but weather was not going to allow it. This is a temporary one because we're going to have to clean everything off here properly to redo it later. Certainly more vivid than it used to be. Yeah, I misaligned a bit here. I tried my real best, but that's going to bug me forevermore now. Oh, I got my finger caught. That would have been painful. I'll take this bit off again later. The previous owners put that latch on. Now I have to dodge this post getting down. Alright, so that's one more little job done. So there's plenty more and there's always more. So we'll see you in the next one. Hope this was mildly interesting.